What's up, YouTube? We've got the Ruger Mark IV here, chambered in 22 long rifle, and we have our dead air mask on top. Let's shoot and have some fun. These are CCI 40 grain, not subsonics, but that's right. It wasn't half bad. All right, this time we're loaded up with the Federal 45 grain suppressor rounds, subsonics. So let's shoot these ones, have some fun. Oh, I didn't get them to swing around, but still pretty impactful. Super fun to shoot. What's up, YouTube? We got our Smith & Wesson Victory, chambered at 22 with our dead air mask. It's gonna be a lot quieter than the dead air primal because the dead air primal is a 458 can. So this one's a 22 can suppressor. And yeah, somebody told me to mention that those are heavy plates for like 44 Magnum, not for 22. So when we're hitting them and they're not moving very much, that's still pretty good for a 22. All that stopping power for that 22 long rifle. These are the 45 grain Federal suppressor rounds. Let's see how much more quiet it is than the primal. Oh, those last two went low. That's still pretty good. We got ourselves another 22 spinner thing over there. Another mag full. Keep going. I think that's pretty fun, and it's pretty quiet. I think the loudest thing is the bolt coming back and hitting the rear, going tink, and like you hear the reciprocation of it. So yeah, the loudest thing is the action on the gun. I think it's pretty cool. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. And remember, you're living the history of tomorrow, so go out there and make history. Have a good one, guys.